afternoon, students. Good afternoon, all of you. Are you able to see me? Are you all able to see me? Good afternoon, all of you. Students, good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon. Now, students, yesterday we have discussed the question and answers. We have started discussing the question and answers. Yes. We have started discussing the question and answers. Today we will continue the question and answers. Students, the board is visible to all of you? Is it visible to all of you? Yes, I have thank you for sending me the PDF. Students, kindly mute yourself. Yes, kindly mute yourself, students. I can hear some background noise. Students, kindly mute yourself. Now, Harsh, kindly mute yourself. Harsh, mute yourself. Now, see students, all of you take out your rough notebook. All of you take out the rough notebook. Now, is the board visible to you? Very good. Students, first I will just see that we have gone through C6. Is it C6, students? That we have to complete the sentences. We have to complete the sentences. We have discussed this part. Once again I am repeating the answers. All of you check your answers. Students, all of you check your answers. Now, the first one. The children were disappointed on seeing the litter thrown on the beach. The first answer is the children were disappointed. What happened? The children were disappointed. Students, mute yourself. Write down. The children were disappointed on seeing the litter thrown on the beach. Have you all written? The Green Act. saying, students? Just I am repeating the answer. Kindly check your answers. Just a minute, students. Now, the children were disappointed on seeing the litter thrown on the beach. Is my voice clear? Now, the children were disappointed on seeing the litter thrown on the beach. Students, mute yourself. Students, mute yourself. Kindly mute yourself. Now, next one is, once in the sea water, Neha and Sachin forgot about the surroundings. Once in the sea water, Neha and Sachin forgot about the surroundings. Written? Third one. We have done it yesterday. The mother felt proud when she saw a cleaner beach. The mother felt proud when she saw a cleaner, C-L-E-A-N-E-R, cleaner beach, B-E-A-C-H, beach, full stop. Have you done it? Students, why very few number of students are attending my class? Why is it so? Very few students are attending the classes. Why? Students, be regular. Clear? Now, fourth question. The hotel manager also joined the cleaning mission. The hotel manager also joined the cleaning mission. Full stop. Have you all done? Students, have you done? Last one. Answer number 5. The children planned to make a green club on the internet. The children planned. Who is having a doubt? Aradhya Verma. What is your doubt, Aradhya? Aradhya, let me complete the answer first. Anidhya, mute yourself. Let me complete the answer. Now, the children planned to make a green club on the internet. Finished? Pardon, Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya, what you are saying? All of you mute yourself. Students, kindly mute yourself. Chitransh, Anidhya, all the students, mute yourself. Now students, write down the answer. The children plan to make a green club on the internet. Which answer? Once again, Anidhya, repeat your answer. Repeat your answer. Yes, that answer is also correct. Okay, that is correct. Now, correct. Now, next question and answers we will be doing. We will be doing the question and answers. The first question. Beta, first write down in your rough notebook. First write down in the rough notebook and then you will fare the answers. Clear? Is it clear, students? What happened? What happened? Students, mute yourself first of all. C4. First question. Write down. Students, why I have to tell repeatedly that mute yourself? Nandini, mute yourself. Yes, the first answer is of C4. Write down, the children were disappointed on seeing the litter, L-I-T-T-E-R, litter, thrown on the beach. Litter thrown on the beach. Full stop. Have you done? How many times I will repeat the answer, students? Just a minute. All of you write down. The children were disappointed on seeing the litter thrown on the beach. Have you all done it? Have you all done? Now, students, I am dictating the answers of C6. Write down all of you. Yes, C5 actually. Yes, C5. The first question is, I am reading the first question, students. Read the given extracts and answer the question that follow. Have you all seen? Now, what a filthy place. Who said this and to whom? The question is, who said to whom? Anybody likes to answer? No, not like this. Not like this. I do not like chorus answer, students. One by one. Have I pointed out the name? No, not like this. I will mute yourself. Raise your hand, all of you. Yes. Who is speaking? Mute yourself. Mute Mute yourself. What's your name? Aryan Tiwari, mute yourself. Now, students, write down the answer. It is a very simple answer. Neha said to Sachin. Is the board visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, write down C5, question number 1A. Neha said this to Sachin. Students, yes, correct. Students, Neha and Sachin are proper nouns, so the proper nouns will be written in the capital letter. Is it clear? Now, the next question. Which place did the speaker call filthy and why?
The speaker called the beach a filthy place because lots of trash. The speaker called the beach filthy because lots of trash scattered on there.
Okay, just write down, students. I am just dictating the answer. The speaker called the beach filthy. Students, I am writing on board as well as I am speaking for you. The speaker just a minute, called the beach Okay, I am dictating the answer. Don't worry, students, don't worry. What happened? What? Okay, okay. One by one. Students, don't worry, I am dictating the answer now. Students, I am dictating the answer. Okay, I am dictating the answer. Just write it down. The speaker called the beach filthy Chitransh, why are you not writing? I am telling the answer. The speaker called the beach filthy because 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 FILTHY filthy. All of you open the textbook. Students, all of you open the textbook. Now, just a minute, students. Now the board is visible to all of you. Now the board is visible. Only half. it visible, students?
Ma'am, you can use back camera.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, students. Just a minute. Ma'am, back camera. Back camera. Now, are you able to see now? Is it clear? Now the board is clear to all of you. Better it is I am dictating the answer, students. All of you write down. I am dictating the answer. Start writing. Start writing, students. The speaker called the beach. The speaker called the beach filthy because some tourists and local people had littered the place. Full stop. Now, all of you see. Are you able to see? Students? See, I am just repeating the answer once again. The speaker called the beach filthy. The spelling of filthy, F-I-L-T-H-Y, filthy, because some tourists and the local people had littered the place. Have you all written? Have you all done? Good. Shall I proceed to the next question? Now, the next question, all of you. The first question is clear. Now, the next question. I would also like to wear a sash to be a member of your Green Brigade. Who said these words? Students, write down the answer. It is a one-line sentence. I am dictating the answer. Write down the answer because you should develop the writing skills also. Listen the answer carefully and write down the answer carefully. Now, Neha and Sachin, write down the answer. Neha and Sachin's father, Neha and Sachin's father said these words, full stop. Neha and Sachin's father said these words, full stop. I hope everyone has written the answer. Written, all of you? B. Still only 39 students are here. Students, all the classes are important. Class of English is equally important for you all. So be regular in the class. Now, the next question is, whose Green Brigade is mentioned here? Whose Green Brigade is mentioned here? Write down the answer. All of you write down the answer. Neha and Sachin's. Write down Neha and Sachin's. Sachin, then put apostrophe S. I am writing on board. I am writing, students, on the board. Write down Neha and Sachin's. Green Brigade is mentioned. Now, is mentioned here. It is question number B. Now, question number C. What did Green Brigade do? I am writing the answer first, then all of you will write down. The Green Brigade cleaned the beach. Neha and Sachin placed several dustbins Write down, students, all of you. Is it visible to all the students? Now, once again I am dictating the answer. The Green Brigade clean the beach. The Green Brigade clean the beach. Full stop. Neha and Sachin. Write down, students. Neha and Sachin placed several dustbins. Students, write down the spelling clearly. All the spelling should be correct. Neha and Sachin placed several dustbins and placards, 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 everywhere in order to clean the beach and distributed sachets, SASHES, to create awareness among the people. Among the people. Have you all done it? Write down clearly, students. How many times I will repeat the answer? The Green Brigade cleaned the beach, full stop. Neha and Sachin placed several dustbins and placards everywhere in order to clean the beach and distributed sachets to create awareness among the people. Have you all written the answer? Any doubt? Shall I proceed to the next question? Okay, students. Next question, students. Be ready for it. Just a minute. Now the next question. Are you able to see me, students? Students, are you able to see me? Now the next question is, just a minute. Now the next question is, C6. Answer the following question briefly. Answer the following question briefly. Where did Neha and Sachin live? What was their plan for vacation? Neha, so I am just dictating the answer. I am dictating the answer. Write down. Neha and Sachin. Students, write down. Neha and Sachin lived in a small hill station. Neha and Sachin lived in a small hill station. Full stop. Their plan for vacation was to visit the Nicobar Islands. Full stop. Have you all written, students? Now, their plan for vacation, the spelling of vacation is V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N, vacation. Their plan for vacation was to visit the Nicobar Islands. To visit the Nicobar Islands. N-I-C-O-B-A-R. Nicobar Islands. The spelling of islands, I-S-L-A-N-D-S. Islands. Full stop. Now, students, now the next question. Why were they disappointed at the sight of the beach? Why were they disappointed at the sight of the beach? Have you understood the question, student? Now, write down the answer. They were disappointed. They were, W-E-R-E. They were disappointed. The spelling of disappointed, D-I-S-A-P-P-O-I-N-T-E-D. Disappointed at the sight of the beach because it was a filthy place. Because it was a filthy place. What is the spelling of filthy, students? F-I-L-T-H-Y. Filthy. Have you all written? They were disappointed at the sight of the beach because it was a filthy place. Full stop. Filthy means very dirty. Now, the next sentence, students, they saw. Okay, students. Okay, students. For today, this much. We will discuss the question answers tomorrow. Your homework is to pair the question and answers. Till where we have discussed, pair the question and answers. Thank you, students.